Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to the graphic designing team of IRAC GTVIT. This is the new team we are starting along with Python developers team and web designing team. So for this part, we'll keep a short and crisp presentation of this. In graphic designing, for this course, you will learn all the aspects of graphic designing, that is logo designing and visual identity graphic design, motion graphic design, publication graphic design, all the aspects of it. Uh, the team will be working in two parts. The one who knows Canva, so and the others who are interested in Adobe. So for the Canva part, we'll give you the training for it. So you will be provided training for the Canva part and you will be skilled in that. And for the Adobe part, these students will directly be given the projects and they can work on it. So Canva ke liye we'll be providing you training from next month. We'll start that and then the projects and tasks will be given to you. And for Adobe, the task will be given directly. The task for both the teams will be same, and on successful completion of the tasks you will be eligible for the internships that we are going to provide from next month after the training. In the projects, these are some of the projects that we'll be covering, that is resume, flyer, logo, video, e-brochure, magazine, mastheads, newsletter, certificates, and others also. We'll be covering many more. So the important points that you need to take care of is all the assignments that will be given to you will be submitted on Google Classroom, and only one deadline will be given and it will not be extended. Anyone violating the deadline will be simply removed from the team and you will not be eligible for the paid internships. And assured paid internships will be provided on successful completion of this training. So that's all for it. Now you can ask your doubts after this meeting. We'll be dividing you all in the two groups, and we'll start the training after that. We'll be dividing you in the groups, that is one of Canva and one of Adobe. South, please share the Google form. So a Google form will be shared to you and you can fill that Google form. After that, a link will be, you'll be provided with a link on your WhatsApp chat and you can join that group and we'll tell the further procedure of Adobe and Canva in that group. Any queries you can ask?
Hello.
Yes.
I had a doubt regarding the internship. So you were saying those who will not submit the assignments and etc. on time will get eliminated, right?
They'll not be eligible for the paid internships.
Okay. So if you want to be eligible for the paid internship, basically you have to submit all the work on time and complete your full course.
Yes.
So
It is
does
not
that guarantee
like
that
a
we
big
will get
course
paid
work.
internships, or there will be another selecting process or
Yes.
something?
See, we are contacting with the companies and you will surely get paid internships. We have already provided internships of two to three students. So
Okay.
on completion of the task, the top students will be eligible for the internship and likewise.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
What would be the requirements for Adobe softwares other than Illustrator and CorelDRAW and Photoshop?
See, in graphic designing, what matters is the final output. So
Hanji.
as far as you satisfy the client and the output, doesn't matter what software or requirements you use.
Okay.
Yes. So like we give you assignment of say video making. So you can make video from any software. We'll give you a feedback on that, how you can improve that. And for Canva people, we'll train you in that.
ठीक है.
Can Adobe group people attend Canva workshop? Yes, of course. Yeah. Any other doubts? Okay, so you have to fill the form for this, and after filling the form only, we'll start the training. Let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll end the meeting.